how to use Word app easy and fast in less than 1 minute. So hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to use the Word app. So as you can see, after we go to Word, this is the home page. Now if you want to create a document, all what you have to do is go to the top corner right here, click this plus icon and choose the type of your document and click on it like this. Now after it takes you to this page, now you can edit the text as you want. And after you finish, click here in the top on those three dots and click save. And if you want to share your document, click share here and choose where you want to share it. You have many options and that's it. And if you want to see your documents, just go to the home page and you will find them. It's very easy to use. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.